cake lovers, it's Courtney Rich from Cake by Courtney, and we have finally got our online cake class for you. I am so excited to be doing this with you today. Welcome to my kitchen. Just like you're at Orson Gigi with me, taking the hands-on class, we're gonna talk about all those same exact tips and tricks in today's course. So we're gonna talk about the cake layers, how to get the best and the fluffiest, the most scrumptious cake layers. We're gonna talk about the frosting, we'll talk about the drip, and I'll give you all the information I give you in my cake classes that we usually do at Orson Gigi or on the road in Texas or New York, California. You'll know exactly what to do and hopefully feel so much more confident giving it a try in your own kitchen.